Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so every time I post a new video you get notified. And if you're interested in food content and want to make something, make sure to check out our channel because we post food stuff, easy recipes and everything. It will really help you, trust me. So make sure to check it out and share this channel with your friends, family, and go ahead and impress them by making some of our foods. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Have a good day or good night. Take care. Bye bye.